Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Montague County in north central Texas until 7:30 p.m. At 6:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Newport, or 10 miles west of Bowie, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-sized hail with 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bowie, Stroberg, Forestburg, and Sunset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for north central Texas.